Let's take a look at what's in their library to create a story with. I think I will choose this. It's perfect for a story I have in mind. Now, let's look for a character or even possible create one. We're going for a smart-looking young man. Let's rename the character. I think the default position was okay. Now let's start with dialogue by pressing on the dialogue button. The story is about a treasure hunt or discovery. So, you basically have to choose from the two characters to say what you are typing. Let's look for a proper tonation to fit the mood. You won't always get what you want, so you've got to work around it. Let's do same for the other character. Let's other camera angles by pressing on the camera sign. You repeat the process till you are done with the dialogues. At this scene, let's choose another scene by pressing on the first sign to continue and make the story interesting. Now we put our main character in the car. No backseat is better. Let's choose a character as a driver. Let's choose another scene. It's a procedural process, so you have to be patient, especially if you are using the phone version like before. Let's another character, this time an old man. Let's create an evening establishing shot. Main character telling his brother about his progress. Let's put our main character back into the scene. I had an idea to add a scene of the main character and adjusting their position, being in a hallway and camera positions for interesting results. So I went back to add that part. Let's add a scene. It's a repetitive process. So, once you get the idea, you repeat till you get your complete story. Let's create a character instead for perfect fit. You know what I'm gonna say? Repeat the process. Let's create dialogues. Well, it can be boring, but the final camera angles for good composition. Stunning. Now another scene. You get the whole idea now. Let's put our characters on board and create dialogues. Let's rename our new character. We are done now. Let's create another character for the far scene. Enjoy the full movie on this channel. Kindly subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.